Hello everyone! Today I want to talk about my favorite meal of the day. My favorite meal is dinner. I love dinner because it's the time when I can eat with my whole family. We all sit together at the table. For dinner, we usually have rice with many different dishes, like fried chicken, fish, and lots of fresh vegetables. My mom is a great cook, so her food is always super delicious and tasty. After dinner, we sometimes eat fruit, like watermelon or oranges.
And we talk about our day. It's a very warm and cozy time.
Dinner makes me feel very full and happy. It helps me relax after a busy school day. And it makes me feel connected with my family. I think it's the most important meal because we share our day together.
You wouldn't believe what happened in history class today.
Oh, tell me everything. Everything. Sharing these moments with my family is just the best. It truly makes dinner my favorite. And thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Hello. My favorite meal of the day is breakfast. I like breakfast because it gives me energy for the whole day. For breakfast, I usually have bread and eggs. My dad often makes scrambled eggs for me. They are so tasty and warm. I also drink a glass of milk. I eat breakfast with my family every morning. It makes me feel awake and ready for school.
I think breakfast is a very healthy meal, and it makes me feel strong.
Wow, this breakfast truly fuels me up for the whole day. It makes me feel so awake and ready for school. I think breakfast is a super healthy meal. It really makes me feel strong. Breakfast is definitely my favorite meal.
Mine too. It's the best.
Hi everyone! My favorite meal is lunch. I usually have lunch at school with my friends. For lunch, we often have rice with chicken and some vegetables.
Sometimes we also have soup or salad.
The school food is usually healthy and good. I like lunch because it's a break from studying and I can talk and play with my friends.
It makes me feel refreshed and happy.
I think lunch is important because it helps me focus for the afternoon classes. This break really gets me ready for the afternoon. So, lunch isn't just a meal, it's a recharge. What's your favorite meal and why do you love it?